Is your Nissan Leaf's alarm randomly going off? You're not alone. The most common culprits are the charge port, door switches, and the 12-volt battery. The most common culprits are the charge port, door switches, and the 12-volt battery. First, consider recent weather. Extreme temperatures can trigger false alarms. Next, think about the alarm's frequency. Constant alarms often point to a faulty charge port, especially in pre-2019 models. Check the charge port for corrosion or debris. Clean it with isopropyl alcohol. If that doesn't work, examine the door switches. These can trigger alarms if misaligned or rusty. Lastly, test your 12-volt battery with a multimeter. It should read above 12.4 volts. A weak battery can cause erratic sensor behavior. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B1117, indicating charge port issues. The Nissan Connect app can also provide diagnostic information. If problems persist, consider having a professional perform a BCM reprogramming. For charge port issues, start with cleaning the port contacts using isopropyl alcohol to remove corrosion or debris. If cleaning doesn't resolve the problem, a replacement charge port assembly may be necessary, costing between $50 and $200 for parts. Nissan issued recalls for 2011-2018 models to replace faulty charge ports prone to corrosion, so check if your Leaf qualifies under warranty. For door switch issues, lubrication of the switch contacts or replacement can resolve false alarms. Each switch costs $20 to $50, and watch online tutorials for DIY guidance on accessing and servicing the switches. If your 12-volt auxiliary battery is weak, causing erratic alarm signals, replace it. Lithium-ion batteries, introduced in 2018 and later models, are more reliable than older lead-acid types. Test voltage with a multimeter before replacing. Software updates can resolve many false alarm issues. Update your Leaf's firmware via over-the-air updates. Version 2.5.1 has reduced false alarms by 40% in 2024 models through improved sensor calibration. Preventative maintenance like quarterly 12-volt battery checks can reduce alarm incidents by 50%. Regularly inspect charge ports and door switches for corrosion or wear to catch issues early. If all else fails, consult a professional for BCM reprogramming, which addresses grounding issues or software glitches and has a high success rate over 95%. Addressing issues promptly saves towing fees and prevents battery drain.